Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing of the Apple AirPods Pro 2 2nd generation. This is the USB-C version, so it can be charged with a USB-C cable. It also has MagSafe and it can be charged wirelessly. There's also a Lightning port version, but I think this USB-C makes more sense. Here on the side you can see the model number for the USB-C version of the AirPods Pro 2. Opening the case, we can find first the Designed by Apple in California. This is just a few notes in here and some quick installation instructions. Then we have the case itself, which has the AirPods inside, and underneath the cover here we have ear tips, and these come in sizes extra small, small and large. The medium one is on the AirPods. And the last thing is an USB-C cable with USB-C heads on both ends. The case itself is very similar to the previous generation. This one has a speaker here, and it kind of works as an air tag, so if you use Find My Device, you can also make a sound with the speakers here. And inside the case you will have the AirPods themselves. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.